This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello friends! In this video I am going to show you how to create free RDP from GitHub using Ngrok. First, open your browser and visit github.com and then log in your account. You need to create repository, so click on New. Now give a repository name. Then click Private. Then click on Create Repository. Click on Actions. Click on Set up a workflow yourself. Now copy this and paste here. Click on Commit Changes. Click Commit Changes. Now go to Settings tab. Click on Secrets and Variables, then click Action. Now click on New Repository Secret. Copy secret name and paste here. Now click Net on your browser and visit ngrok.com and log in your account. Now copy auth token and paste secret box. Click on Add Secret. Now go to Actions tab. Delete create main.yml. Click on Run Workflow. Then again Run Workflow. You will get CI file. Now click on CI file. And click on Build. Go to Ngrok tab and click Endpoints. Copy TCP URL. Then open RDP from your system. Paste copied URL. Now use username and password and try for login RDP. We success to connect RDP. Now I will check device specifications. Now I will test internet speed. So open browser and download big file. Stay tuned to my channel, and I will be back soon with next video. Thanks for watching.